Hello, my fellow Earthlings. Welcome to the plastic age. Since the introduction of plastic in early 1950s, its production has gone tremendously up with 350 million tons of plastic produced every year around the globe, out of which 50% is single-use or disposable plastic. 9 million tons of this plastic ends up in the oceans, harming the marine life and polluting the entire ecosystem. There is plastic everywhere, in our food, in our water, in packaging. There is plastic at the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, and it is there to stay for many, many years. Paleontologists have found traces of plastic in our recent fossil records, and they suggest renaming Anthropocene as the age of plastics. Do you want to be known as a plastic person? Do you want to be termed as a plastic society? Do you want to be remembered as the inhabitants of the age of plastics? No, of course not. Come, let's wage a war against plastic pollution by following 5 R's. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Let's start with refuse. Let us give a thumbs down to everything plastic. Start refusing plastic containers, plastic bags. Have you ever received a plastic packaging for your online purchase? Have you ever reported the excessive use of plastic in that? Have you ever denied that? Let's do it now, because when we will refuse plastic, industry and governments will have to find a better alternative. Second, reduce. We can reduce the consumption of plastic in our daily life very easily. Data shows that 1 million plastic water bottles are sold every minute. Carry your own water bottle, your own mug instead of buying plastic water bottles. You can replace the plastic straws with reusable steel straws like this. You can replace your plastic toothbrushes with bamboo toothbrushes. You can replace the plastic bags with your own cloth bags. Make it a habit of cooking your own meal or dining in instead of getting packaged food. So, by these and many more simple methods, you can easily reduce the plastic consumption in our daily life. Third, reuse. When we say that we have to reduce plastic pollution, doesn't mean that we collect all the plastic we have and dump it in the dustbin. That would be double the trouble. Instead, make complete use of every plastic container and every plastic bag you have. Repair it, refurbish it, and use in many different ways before it goes to the trash. Fourth, recycle. Never ever purchase virgin plastic. Ask for recycled plastic containers and bags. Technology has played a very important role here. Today we hear of bioplastics, which are made up of animal membrane. Then there is another wonderful invention known as additive plastic. In this, we add a very strong metal compound to the normal plastic production process, which helps in oxidation of the plastic when exposed to heat and light. And it makes plastic completely biodegradable. This bag here in my hand is made up of additive plastic. And it looks like plastic, but it is completely biodegradable. And last of all, recover. When all the plastic taken from the oceans and the landfills is put to some other use, lots of plastic waste is being used to make roads and various other construction material. Lots of research is going on to use the waste plastic as fuel. Let us promote and support such products. Let us promote and support such research, and we can make a huge contribution to beat plastic pollution. And these 5 R's together can make it a success. Because we are not plastic. We are fantastic. See you next Friday.